Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 18 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Rose was unhappy blank her engagement. A. By. B. For. C. With. Correct answer, with, to show the reason for an emotion. The musicians played music blank the passengers. A. With. B. By. C. For. Correct answer, for, to show who benefits from an action. She looked blank her reflection in the water. A. With. B. For. C. At. Correct answer, at, to show the direction of looking. The ship was blank the control of the captain. A. For. B. Under. C. Over. Correct answer, under, to show control or authority. Jack was arrested blank stealing. A. About. B. For. C. After. Correct answer, for, to show the reason for an action. Like, comment and subscribe.